Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the font size of menu items in Wix. This is a quick adjustment that can make your website navigation much easier to read and help it fit more naturally with the rest of your design. If you want your website menu to be easier to read, or simply match your site's design a little better, adjusting the font size is a quick and useful change. This can help your navigation stand out more clearly, especially if the text feels too small or too large for the overall look of your website. For example, a slightly larger menu can improve visibility, while a smaller size can help create a cleaner and more minimal header. To get started, go to your site editor in Wix. Make sure you're on the page where you want to update the menu appearance. Once you're inside the editor, look directly at your menu on the page and click on it. If your site has more than one menu or navigation element, make sure you're selecting the one you actually want to customize. Selecting the menu is important because it brings up the editing options specifically for that menu element. After you click the menu, look toward the top for the text settings icon, which is shown as a T. This helps you access the styling controls without changing the menu links or navigation structure itself. Click that icon to open the text styling options for your menu. This is where Wix lets you control the way your menu text appears, including the font size. Depending on your menu setup, you may also see other text-related styling controls that can help you keep the navigation consistent with your overall brand. When the text settings open, you'll see a value that represents the current font size. This number controls how large or small the menu items appear on your site. Simply change that value to the size you want. You can make small adjustments first, and watch how the text changes directly in the editor. If you want the menu to be more noticeable, increase the number slightly. If it looks too large or crowded, reduce it until it fits nicely within your header or navigation area. This is especially useful if you have several menu items, because increasing the font too much can cause the navigation to feel cramped or take up more horizontal space. As you adjust the size, take a moment to look at how the menu appears on the page. A good font size should be easy to read without overpowering the rest of your design. Try to keep it balanced with your logo, header spacing, and the rest of your site text, so everything feels consistent and professional. You also want visitors to identify your navigation quickly, without making the menu the most dominant part of the page. Once you've changed the font size to your preference, that's it. Your menu items will now display using the new size in the editor. Take a quick look across all of the menu items to make sure longer labels still fit properly, and nothing looks squeezed together. This is a very simple way to improve both the style and usability of your Wix website without making any major design changes. Clear navigation helps visitors move around your site more easily, so even a small font adjustment can improve the overall browsing experience. If you're making several design updates at once, it's also a good idea to preview the page afterwards, so you can confirm the menu still looks clean and readable. Small visual changes like this can make a big difference in how polished your website feels. If possible, also check the menu on different screen sizes, so you can make sure the navigation remains easy to read and properly spaced. That's how to change the font size of menu items in Wix.